Oh, this is like putting lotion on. Oh my god, I hate this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different and also kind of in the past of YouTube, but whatever. I saw it in my deep YouTube video spiral, as one does when they're bored, and I just thought I'd give it a go. So I'm going to be doing one of those vintagey 1960s makeup tutorials. During my deep dive of YouTube, I saw a girl called Loepsie, I think it's how you say it, Loepsie, and it looked really fun. Check out her channel. She's got a lot of really cool vintage-y type videos. So I just thought I'd give this a whirl and see what people back in the day used to do with their makeup and what we do differently now compared to back then. Let's just stop me talking now and let somebody with a much fancier voice do that now, shall we?
Go easy, or the results can become...
Why does everybody back then always sound so fancy? Like, what happened to that? Why don't we talk that way anymore? That's what I want to know.
ludicrous. Take advantage of what's there.
She's excited.
Accentuate the good points.
Touch my face.
Minimize the others. Optical illusions can, in many cases, produce the wanted effects. A light base will make the eyes look smaller. A dark base will make them appear larger. Foundation is used as a base for the rest of your makeup.
Is she just going straight in with foundation? Like, there's no primer at all? Is she using her hands? I don't want to use my... Oh, this is gonna be messy. Alright, I'm gonna go grab some makeup wipes real quick. Okay. Got my makeup wipes. I guess we're gonna be applying foundation with our hands. Ooh, this is gonna be really gross. I don't want to do this. She's got her hair back. Should I put my hair back? I don't know, I don't really have anything. I'm just gonna...
Work the foundation from the center of the face toward the hairline using gentle upward strokes.
Go back real quick and pause it, but she's literally just going in with her hands. So we'll just...
For the rest of your makeup. Work the foundation from the center of the face toward the hairline using gentle upward strokes. Make sure it's blended evenly.
How am I blending it with my fingers?
Cosmeticians will guide you in your color choice.
Ooh.
A foundation with a pink glow will
Alright,
brighten...
girl, hold on. I need to figure out what I'm doing. Oh, this is like putting lotion on. Oh my god, I hate this. This is gonna take me forever to blend out. You guys are lucky, you just get to experience the jump cut of me finally being done blending, but I have to be here the whole time. I don't think she used that much. I feel like I might have used too much foundation. Ugh, feels disgusting. I did a pretty decent job, except like under the eyes. Ugh, she didn't even put a primer on or anything.
A sallow skin, while a reddish skin can be toned down with a beige foundation.
Gross.
Blot off excess with a tissue. If you have disturbed skin, medicated makeups are available.
What's this? Oh, probably like
Dark
acne.
circles under the eyes are often caused...
Apparently we didn't use beauty blenders back in the day, I guess, because she's about to just go in. Alright. This should just be called makeup tutorial using no hands.
by not enough sleep and lack of iron.
Me.
To cover them up, use a foundation 2 or 3 tones lighter than your base,
Okay, well I color
or a
match, so we're
highlighting
saying...
cream.
Alright, I'm going to say that's
Blush
concealer.
is applied to give cheeks a quiet glow. A good rule to follow is never let blush come nearer the nose than an imaginary line.
I look Like, usually this concealer looks good, but with this kind of blending technique, I look pale as hell. Hands are just covered in it. Now she's moving on to blush without me. My desk is a mess too. That's not helping this whole situation either, but whatever. Using a tiny brush too. Okay.
Dropped vertically from the center of the eye. Blush should be applied from the center of the cheek outward and up into the temples.
Okay, that hasn't changed.
Blushes can also be used for contouring.
No.
Example, a tone 3 shades darker than the foundation can be used to point up a cheekbone or diminish a wide jaw.
Blush, they didn't just say contouring.
Powder sets and blends your makeup. The simplest powder to use is a colorless, translucent one.
Girl, hold on, I still need a contour. She like barely did anything, so I guess I'm just gonna do a little bit. God, I want to blend up so bad. Translucent powder. I do have that.
Pat on liberally. A tuft of cotton that can be thrown away is the best powder puff to use.
Powder puff.
Wait for the powder to set.
Set it all in.
Brush away excess with downward strokes.
Alright, well, I'm just gonna use my brush on that. I don't like excess, getting rid of all that
Eyebrows
tissue.
frame the eye and focus interest on them.
Focus interest on them.
Also important in the shaping of the nose. Pointed eyebrows can make a nose seem longer.
What is she? Oh, I
To
feel like
remove
it's supposed to be
straggly
like gel or
brows,
something.
lubricate them with Vaseline or baby oil.
Put Vaseline on my eyebrows. This is gonna be so gross. If you couldn't tell, I haven't watched this video before I filmed this, so this is disgusting. How does this help?
And pluck with tweezers.
Oh, this feels so wrong.
Never pluck eyebrows further than the line, even with the inside
This is supposed to be
corner
like
of your
eyebrow
eye.
gel.
Other plucking should be done under the brow and never above it.
That nice minty smell now to my face. Off of me.
The color of your eyebrow pencil should be as close as possible to your natural color.
Okay, well that's still true. So, alright, I'm gonna use eyebrow powder though, because my pencils run out and I haven't had time to go get some more. Actually, no, I just haven't felt like going get more because this has just been working out perfectly by using powder, so that's just what we're gonna do. Oh god, I have to put this over the Vaseline. Ew. Alright, we're just gonna brush these out. What the seriously? Fine, I'll go get a new one. Yeah, this is definitely supposed to be like some sort of eye gel, or eyebrow gel. I feel like this is actually making the powder stand out a lot more than it usually does. Actually, don't hate this. It usually takes a lot longer for me to actually build the powder up. I'm still not going to be doing this again because this is gross.
Only the darkest brunettes should use a black pencil.
I'm not using black on my eyebrows.
The highest point of the arch should be a straight line from the outer edge of the iris.
True.
The tapered end of the brow should form a straight line past the outer corner of the eye to the side of the nostril.
Is that even what my eyebrows do? I don't know. They always do that angle thing, and I never understand how that's supposed to help you. So how do you know that if you're angling it right? Oh, this looks awful.
Blend pencil strokes into your brow with a clean mascara brush. Mascara applied to lashes
Okay, this
would
eyebrow did
complete
not
the
take well.
well-groomed eye and is sufficient eye makeup for the early
Look
teens.
insane.
However,
Alright, well. God, my eyebrows feel super weird. Like, that like minty, I don't know, minty fresh feeling. I don't like it. It feels weird.
if you wish to give more attention to the eye, you may use the following procedure.
Girls' eyebrows
A
look
lid
weird.
highlight with a creamy pale shade is flattering to most eyes. Never wear bright, obvious evening colors.
I do that all the time. Alright, I'm gonna say that's like eyelid primer. We're gonna say it's eyelid primer, and then I'm just gonna put like a light color over it. So I don't wear a nice dark evening color. Seriously, where did that accent go though? That's what I really want to know, because my grandma definitely does not talk with that kind of accent. Like, was it just not cool anymore and everybody gave it up or something? Okay, so I guess we'll just put like a light color over our eye. She used white. And I happen to have white, so I'm just gonna take white peach, I guess. Actually, let's see what she does.
For contour and emphasis, a taupe or brown shade is...
Okay. I look freaking insane right now. Well, alright, that's just gonna be our light shade. And now I guess we're going in with a taupey thing to contour it.
placed into the lid crease and just above the lid. For
Alright, so I'm gonna do Charmed, I'm sure, because I feel like that fits this all very well. She said at the crease and above the crease. I guess this is all we're doing to our eyes. Unless they're about to show us more with this kind of creepy looking drawing. Talking about not wearing evening colors. This is something I'd wear it if I wanted to do like a smoky eye. I don't know what she's talking about. Alright, I guess that's all we're doing. So
protruding eyes, a dark shadow on the lid will make eyes seem less prominent. For deep-set eyes, a white or very light shade on the lid will make the eyes seem more prominent. The three pairs of eyes are exactly the same distance apart. These eyes seem to be closer. The effect was achieved by concentrating the shadow towards the nose and by bringing the eyebrows closer together. Here, the illusion of widely spaced eyes is created by placing the shadow and brows outward and far apart.
It's interesting.
A gleam of pearly white or beige on the bone just beneath the brow emphasizes the bone structure. Eyeliner is used to make the lashes seem longer. There should be no hard, obvious line.
Oh, God.
Apply as close to the lashes as possible, and remember, black can only be worn by girls with very black hair.
Well, we don't follow that rule anymore now, do we? Oh, I really don't want to do this. Alright. Been trying to practice with my liquid eyeliner, so... But they say to do it, so I'm just gonna follow this. Well, that's definitely not perfect, but, you know, I tried.
A flattering shade for blondes or brunettes, as black adds harshness to the eye.
Well, I want that.
Mascara makes lashes look longer and fuller.
Why is she applying her mascara like
Incidentally, no amount of eye makeup will help if your eyes are drowsy and lackluster. To be wide-eyed and alert, a full measure of sleep is necessary.
that? Well, I definitely don't get that, so...
The right food definitely relates to the clearness and sparkle of your eyes. Vitamin A and plenty of water are essential for this.
True, drink a lot of water, people.
After the mascara, separate the lashes with a clean brush.
Do you see this? Why? Why do I do this to myself? This is why I can't have nice things. The worst. Absolute worst.
The age for wearing lipstick is about 14. A subtle color is the most becoming. To apply lipstick, prop your elbows firmly on the table, supporting the chin with one hand while steadying the action with your drawing hand. Start from the center of...
Why did they have to make lipstick applying more complicated than it actually is? Oh, do I have... well... this brush isn't that clean, but we're just gonna use it anyways.
The upper lip, drawing a smooth curve to the outer corner. On the lower lip, start at the corner and come to the center with a brush laid flat. Fill in with the brush or the lipstick itself. Blot the excess. For a softer...
Earl needs to hold on while I try to figure out how the hell they're doing this. I don't get why we can't just, you know, just use lipstick from the lipstick. I don't know why we had to add an extra step of using a brush, but wow, it looks exactly the same as if I, you know, just used it straight from that. Shocking, I know. Alright, now what?
For a smoother look, apply a lip gloss. Remember, lips need protection as well as the skin. If you prefer not to wear a lipstick, do wear a lip gloss. Lip shapes can be changed. For example, thin lips can be corrected by overpainting. Thick lips can be narrowed by covering them with base, then using color only toward the inside of the lips. Too wide lips can be made less obvious by covering the outer corners with base.
I think everybody nowadays just wants big lips, so...
Skin blemishes cannot be entirely avoided by most young girls. Makeup can conceal them, but a healthy diet and cleanliness can often prevent them. Most important, never pick or squeeze a blemish. It makes matters worse.
True. Yep, he approves.
That's all.
That's all. Well, I guess that is all. Okay, so this is kind of the finished product, I guess, of following a 1960s makeup tutorial. Yeah, there's some similarities still. Definitely a lot of differences nowadays. I don't recommend putting Vaseline on your eyebrows. They still feel super weird and I don't like it. Use a beauty blender because rubbing foundation on your face like lotion also is gross. I don't like it. I'm really happy that our routines nowadays are different because I didn't like it at all. There are a few good tricks in there though. I'll link the video down below that I used and also other videos talking about earlier. Always learn something from the past, can't we? The littlest things. God, I really want to take this Vaseline off my eyebrows. I really hate it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was weird and interesting to make. Let me know down in the comments if you guys liked it. You guys want me to try another thing kind of like this? This was interesting. It was different, kind of weird, but it's still fun and the same. Just trying to see the differences in how we used to do our makeup back then and how we thankfully do it now. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you liked it. Let me know how your day was, week was, year's been going, all that fun stuff. Leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. List goes on and on of things you can be doing. So I know that you're out there watching. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video.